Hello coffee lovers, this is Liam from HCS Home Coffee Solutions. Today we're doing an overview of the De'Longhi Rivelia. This is a top-of-the-line super automatic machine introduced by De'Longhi with a few new features over their existing super automatic lineup. This thing has already got a few design awards from IF Design Awards, the Red Dot Award, Exceptional Product Design and User Experience. The machine is a departure from De'Longhi's typical design with a unique bean switch system and an intuitive touchscreen display. This one is focused on the top. We see an entirely new, more compact design that we haven't seen in their lineup prior. In addition to visual design changes, the internal components of the Rivelia are fundamentally different than some of the other De'Longhi machines. De'Longhi has introduced a new brew group. Now, brew groups are the mechanism that brews the coffee inside the machine. This has been revised and improved and is the first of its kind that we see in De'Longhi's lineup. New to the De'Longhi lineup is its bean switch system. These are two interchangeable 250-gram bean hoppers that can change your coffee in the middle of the day. This means that you can have a smooth medium roast in the early morning and a decaf later in the day, or simply if you have two different coffees for a different taste preference in the household, say medium roast and dark roast, you can switch between people. The machine also includes something called Bean Adapt technology, which is going to help you dial in the shot to the correct grind setting depending on the hopper that you have attached to it. There is a drawback in the hopper switching, where when you go from one bean hopper to the other, you do have to brew either a full beverage or go through a purge process to get rid of about 10 grams of coffee before the machine is ready to go again. The wasted coffee is minimal here if you brew beverages, and we recommend that when doing hopper switching. The ability to switch a hopper is a welcome addition, and we hope this gets spread out to more of De'Longhi's machines. The unit also includes a bypass doser. Now, this is a simple chute where you take a scoop of pre-ground coffee and you put it in ad hoc on demand. The machine is capable of brewing espressos to cappuccino, to long coffee, flat whites, lattes, and much more. Possibly one of the greatest options on the machine is the ability to customize and prepare your own beverages. The machine features advanced customization options for you to create unique user profiles and beverages according to the tastes of yourself and other people in your household. This allows you to change things like coffee strength, coffee volume, milk volume, and even coffee temperature. The customization on the De'Longhi Rivelia is advanced. Now, this is probably one of the industry's best hallmarks of good user experience with 4 user profiles that people can easily switch into, whether or not that's a family member or a housemate, and will have an entire line of beverages customized to their liking. If you want to get so hands-on, you can even go into the bean hopper and adjust the grinder settings. Now, the Rivelia is a super automatic machine, so this is perfect for people who want a one-button push in the morning and to prepare a beverage from front to back with as little fuss as possible. This comes with its positives and also some drawbacks. The automated milk system in this machine has the ability to brew hot beverages at various foam levels, featuring a dial on the top where you can go all the way from flat to foamy. It also features an optional cool upgrade kit. Now, this is something unique that allows you to add cool foam to the entirety of the Rivelia's beverage lineup, which will unlock a variety of additional beverages for those hot summer months. Now, because this is an automatic machine, this is perfect for families that want to customize beverages, switch between various household members, and be able to really get the easiest coffee that they can with minimal effort. Now, with an automatic machine, you're going to get amazing user experience and easy making beverages. The shortcoming with things like automatic frothing systems being totally transparent with everybody is really milk temperature. Now, because automated systems only come into momentary contact with steam, it's probably the largest complaint that we get from all of our super automatic machines, regardless of the vendor. So if you're looking for more, hot beverages, we'd recommend something like a La Specialista that has a manual frothing wand so you can raise the temperature to your desired result. That being said, on the coffee temperature side, we do want to say that with years of testing many of the other vendors, De'Longhi comes out on top in terms of coffee temperature on an automatic side. Another note with all super automatic machines is they generally require a little bit of cleaning. Now, while you have a one-button push up in the get-go, you do have to do things like monthly maintenance and even weekly cleaning. Weekly cleaning might include taking out the brew group, giving it a rinse under the sink, and also emptying the coffee grounds on occasion as it fills up. The LatteCrema system also requires a purge after it brews, simply to sanitize it. These containers are good to put back into your refrigerator and are also dishwasher-safe for some extra convenience on the cleaning side. The machine's design includes a side-mounted water tank. Now, this is a newer design over the traditional De'Longhi machines, which are usually removed from the front. This adds a little bit of convenience with less finagling and being able to simply pull it over and quickly bring it over to your faucet for refilling. The water tank is a sizable 1.4 liters, which is fantastic for espresso, but might be a little bit short for long coffee and people who brew extra long beverages that are just straight black coffee. If you're doing milk beverages, this is absolutely plenty and won't pose any problem at all. It really does balance convenience and quality, but I would also like to say it does it at a price point that is almost less than half of some of the other competitors at similar offerings. My experience with over 10 years in the industry is that De'Longhi is going to produce excellent results with almost no effort. For all the fully automatics, it really is one of the top options that you can choose that'll make true, authentic Italian espresso at just a push of a button. If you prefer convenience and versatility in your coffee routine, the Rivelia is an ideal match. Consider this machine if you enjoy different coffee varieties throughout the day. This is perfect for people who want to switch from a medium roast to a light roast or even decaf. There are options for 2 bean hoppers and also a bypass chute for ground coffee. Thanks for joining us today while we talk about the Rivelia. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to go to the comment section below, drop a few lines, and we'll do our best to get back to you. If you've enjoyed this video, we'd be appreciative if you could give the video a like, and even better, subscribe to our channel. If you want to inquire about sales, hit our sales team up at homecoffeesolutions.com. They've helped thousands of people to a better home coffee espresso setup. We'll assess your needs and make sure that you have the right machine that's suited for you and your family.